there we go. Thank you. Holy shit. Bro. Damn. You're right. I better not scratch this car. Welcome back to another video on Talking Designs. Appreciate you guys sticking with me, commenting, asking for more content. So I'm going to get back to making the videos longer, showing you more stuff. All right, not taking shortcuts. You can see the wheels in the back, tires are already mounted. Front bumpers here. I'm gonna throw some Bondo on that tonight. But before I do all that, I want to show you guys the paint. So we changed the color of the wheels. If you guys remember from back in early May, we changed the color of the wheels because the wheels and the car were gonna be too close. So I'm gonna show you what we're working with and hope you guys like it. White pearl, multi ghost and blue pearl, white light silver pearl, a pint of silver gray pearl. It's going in here. Y'all can see that. So I'm gonna bring you guys overhead so you can watch. Dump in the white pearl first, then the multi ghost and blue. This going next.
What is the same thing?
No.
Oh, white light silver.
Yep, all of it. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Holy shit. Bro. Damn. You're right. I better not scratch this car. Oh, there's the color. Well, there you have it. Paint's mixed. You guys saw the color. So we're gonna take the front bumper over here where Carlos is working, let him do his magic. I'm gonna bring the rear bumper back in, sand it down some more, and I just told you everything I'm doing in this video, so watch. Alright, so you guys saw Carlos laying Bondo, mixing it, laying it the correct way, him showing me how to lay it out. Tell me what I need to get to smooth it out by hand, not with the D.I.Y. The D.I.Y. is for speed, but get a block to get the right form, get everything straight. So, hey, another short video. I'm gonna end it here. One night, and something else tomorrow. Alright.